Jay here and welcome. So when's the last time you cleaned your vacuum, or have you ever? Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I thought it was time for me to clean mine. I haven't cleaned this vacuum, let alone any before. So another reason why I decided to clean my vacuum cleaner. You know how the vacuum is when you're vacuuming sometimes and you get that funny smell, and it's like just changing the filter is just not going to be enough. That's what was happening with the vacuum. When I saw that there was so much hair, dirt, and grime in the vacuum, I decided to just disassemble everything and clean out the vacuum as much as possible. It's always good to do a cleaning of your vacuum. I know most people probably don't think about cleaning their vacuums, but why wouldn't we clean the things that clean our home? As you can see, this was some of the dirt and grime, and this glob of dirt right here, that was entwined in the cords or the tubing part of the vacuum cleaner. After cleaning out the parts to the vacuum cleaner, I let them dry for 24 hours. And now it was time to place everything back together. I'm gonna tell you guys, I was a little nervous about this because, like I said earlier in the video, I've never cleaned a vacuum cleaner before. And so I was really concerned if I was able to put everything back in place and hear that vacuuming sound. But it worked out wonderfully, and it does a fantastic job. So maybe you guys will consider doing the same thing, cleaning your vacuum cleaner, or you never know. Well, I thank you guys for stopping by, visiting my channel today. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.